Newscasts are very important vehicles to disseminate important topics related to climate change. For example, I recently prepared a news special about coasts in ruins, showing how climate change is affecting our coastal regions, but specifically how debris and structures that have been destroyed by recent swell events, hurricanes, and sea level rise are affecting the ecosystems in our area. I think that broadcasters have a very important responsibility of being the link between the general public and the politics related to climate change. I hope that we can continue to do so because climate change needs a voice. And we are that voice. We're the voice of trust in our communities, and I hope that we can continue to perform in such a way that the general public understands what we're facing, the challenges that we're facing. We are all part of this planet that needs our attention. The Ecoexploratorio is the Science Museum of Puerto Rico, and we have developed a number of programs and projects associated to climate change, but most important to hurricane and natural hazard resilience. That is very important because we have become the go-to place to get education about hurricanes, floods, sea level rise, climate change, earthquakes, and tsunami. And as we continue to grow our programs and our education impact, we know that we are making a social change in our children and in our future generations. Our islands are surrounded by water, so everything that happens in the ocean has an impact either in our temperatures or in the ecosystems around the island. For example, recently we've had marine heat waves, and that has an impact on the heat waves that we've had in Puerto Rico. They have become more frequent and more prolonged, and 2024 was brutal in terms of temperatures in Puerto Rico. In terms of the swell action and wave action is very important and has a very strong effect and impact all around Puerto Rico and our adjacent islands because we receive the energy from the Atlantic Ocean. We receive energy from the different tropical cyclones and tropical systems, plus sea level rise. The combination of all these factors have a serious impact on the structures, on the ecosystems across the island, and we have to work harder and establish protocols to work with this problem in all the coastal municipalities around Puerto Rico.